This week, I set myself the task to make not one, but 2 wicked cakes. And just to make it a little bit more complicated, I'm going to attempt to make them fly. Or at least look like they're flying, because let's face it, I don't actually have magical powers like the wizard. But I'm going to do my best. So I made the cakes with vanilla sponge and added in green and pink buttercream before using chocolate ganache to lock in all the freshness. And then I went in with modelling chocolate to add in all of the amazing details in the costumes. So I actually started this cake about 2 weeks ago by making the heads out of modelling chocolate. I took about 3 hours to make each of these, and I used sugar eyeballs to make them look extra realistic. I've sped this up for you guys because you guys don't want to watch me sculpting cakes for like 3 hours. So this took about 3 hours, and these are all the details for Elphaba. And once I'd done Elphaba, I then went in and got on with Glinda, and this is what she looked like once I'd finished her. Then it was back to the cakes, where I added in black modelling chocolate for all of Elphaba's costumes and purple for Glinda's. Once I'd done that, I added in lots of detail to the broom and all of this amazing beading detail in Glinda's corset before adding on her hair and all of the details that came with that. And then I used an airbrush to airbrush in this ombre pattern into her dress before adding a sugar wand and Elphaba's very famous fingertips. Now, I did say I was going to make these cakes fly. The Glinda one was a little bit easier. It was on a podium, but I needed to make sure that it was balanced enough, and thankfully it was. And now comes the really scary bit, where I'm going to try and make Elphaba fly, and there she goes, defying gravity. Yes, I did it. So I'm so pleased. And this is exactly how the cakes turned out. I am obsessulated with these 2 cakes. Glinda looks glorious and beautiful as ever. And then Elphaba, well, Elphaba can frickin' fly. Do you know what I'm saying? So she's up there living on my roof just for the time being. This is what Glinda looked like when she was finished. And this is what Elphaba looked like when she was all done too. I love these cakes. I'm so pleased with how they turned out. I'm so glad that I was able to make them fly. Thanks so much for watching, guys. What should I make next?